Hi, this is David from SGS-TRADING. I want you to take a look at the logo here. Turbo. I have, this is the second one. I have another one there. Anyway, this one, it's not rusty. Oh, it's got a dent. And it's not rusty, but somehow right here, frame is okay, and no rust, and I just want to be honest with everybody. So that floor is completely rust free, and then the fender is typically right here or right here somewhere has a rust, and the inside no rust, but it was dirty. And then I think this one has some kind of a like a dirty plan or something, like I don't know, maybe rice grain or something was dropped inside and then trapped the moisture and then got rotten. So I'm going to buy the tailgate and then the left side gate, and yeah, so that it's a little bit of rusty. But on right side, look at the hinges and look at the condition of the side. It's beautiful. So the only thing is, sorry that I came here with the bicycle. So anyway, so it's just right, no, left side gate, and then the tailgate is the one that is not good. So I'm gonna buy it and I'll make sure this side is also clean, and it is. And this is the VIN number, DD51T-513242. It's just a dirty, I'm sorry, I should have washed it or cleaned it a little bit more. Anyway, and yeah, no tear or anything, but it's a little bit, I kind of washed it though. This I washed with I take the hog ring out and took all the upholstery out and then wash it with the washing machine. Anyway, beauty is also, good thing about this is also extremely low kilometer, 22,000 auction verified miles. Unfortunately no AC, but the blower works, so the heater works. Whoa. And seems like radio works, horn, and I mean, I drove it here, and then it's kind of like outside is like a 97 degree still in the late, I mean almost evening, like 4 or 5 o'clock, still hot. And you can see it was pretty dirty. I washed it, but I couldn't, somehow, I don't know, this brown thing, I don't know what it is. It's really was dirty condition. And usually this one is the carburetor. By the way, It's got license, so it's roadworthy. And fuel injected, and then it's got a turbo down there, and then turbo spools, and then this one goes directly to the intake, I guess. And this one is the breathing that it comes from air filter, I guess. And it's dirty, but I washed it. It was extremely dirty. And then I took the seat cover and washed it. Right. So still a little bit of dirtiness, but looks a nice car. It's got a good potential. Mirror was no good, so I replaced the mirror. Brand new. Both left and right. Brand new. Aftermarket, so it's a kind of, but it's made in Japan, not Chinese stuff. Oh, I'm sorry. That's discrimination for Chinese people. Sorry. Anyway, it's got a not broken antennas. It's so dirty. Look. Sorry. So it was low kilometers, but might be in a harsh condition or place that was there. But turbo spool's nice and still has power. I think it is a nice unit. Anyway, and then I'm buying the two sides, so it'll be a perfect car. The only thing, see, is this brownish dirtiness that I couldn't take it off. I can do it with the paint thinner, but it might rob the paint also. Anyway, this is David, SGS-TRADING, and this is 1997. 1997. Suzuki Carry DD51 Turbo. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you.